Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon recipes, full guide. Start with cold bacon for skillet or oven methods and pat dry for better browning, then season lightly or glaze for contrast. Choose streaky or back bacon based on texture preference, and always reserve drippings for flavoring other dishes to maximize taste and reduce waste. In this video, I will show how to make bacon recipes, full guide. Preheat your chosen method, arrange slices with small gaps, and flip if using a skillet or air fryer. Watch for visual cues like deep golden edges and bubbling fat, and remove to absorbent paper to stop carryover cooking while keeping texture perfect for sandwiches or salads. In this video, I will show how to make bacon recipes, full guide. Try simple glazes or dry rubs to complement dishes, pair bacon with sweet fruits or savory herbs, and reserve crisp pieces for final garnishes. Use rendered fat to sauté vegetables or fry eggs for cohesive flavors and smarter use of every ingredient in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.